Yeah, he's lucky they didn't catch one of the pills.
Uh-oh. That is something you would have done.
The wedgie thing?
No, yeah. Oh, I can.
Oh, she's got a big red mark on her.
Oh my god.
Look at Erin's face.
Yeah, that things are good.
Do not rip her shirt.
Hey, wait a minute. That's getting too close to being,
Real familiar.
Julian, turn around and get back in there.
Look at Erin's face. You have a big red mark on it.
Look at it. She's going to have a black eye, dude.
Hey, stop.
Right that way. That way. I don't want it. What do you think?